our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Before we start this video, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below because our goal is to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So in today's video, we're going to do a little crafting video. It's just a fun little craft that I saw online, and I thought, you know what, I could recreate this. So, wow. So for this project, you're going to need 3 or more of these plastic pumpkins. They were originally like $1, I think, at like Walmart or something, but we got them on Super Sale for I think only like 15 cents each or something like that. So then you're going to need 3 of the pumpkins. You're going to need some type of tool to cut the handle off. As you can tell, I already tried to use the tool to make sure it works. You're going to need something to trim off the handles. You're going to need some sort of rocks or something to weigh this down. And optional is spray paint and acrylic paint. Oh, and then you're also going to need hot glue. So what you're going to first do is you're going to cut off all of the handles from your pumpkins, and then stay tuned to see what else happens. You just have to clip, clip, snip, snip. Okay, so actually I forgot to tell you guys exactly what we're making. Basically what we're making is we're going to be making a planter for artificial plants. Weigh these pumpkins down so it doesn't blow away. We're going to just be using this baggie filled with aquarium rocks. Perfect. Let's move on to our next step. So this is when you start hot gluing, but please be very careful because you don't want to obviously burn yourself. This part was a little stressful, so shout out to the amazing hubby for helping me. So you just want to make sure that you hot glue the bottom rim and squish it on. And I was getting very anxious with the little string sticking to my hand. So yeah, just make sure you pull those little strings away. And then I was using this spray paint that I bought from Amazon. And you just want to spritz, spritz, spray, spray. Shout out to my amazing husband for helping me because I was struggling. Now I'm just painting with black acrylic paint to emphasize the face. So there you have it. Here's our final product for our artificial pumpkin planter. We did have a few mishaps happen. So as you can tell by the top right here, we really don't know what happened. We're thinking it might be a reaction between, because we did seal it. We did seal it off camera. Sorry about the wind, guys, but it's just nice and breezy out here. Nice and cool and breezy, I meant to say. So yeah, there was a bit of, I don't know, we think a reaction or something, because we sprayed it definitely far enough that it's not from the spray. And then all we did is we added twine in between each pumpkin. And then what you can do to finish it off, we don't have them right now, so I can't do it. So you could actually put artificial, like an artificial flower bouquet on the top. So there you have it. Here is our pumpkin planter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!